Hi guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Let's have a go at an exam style question. We're told that a student attempts to build a motor. She places a 50cm long coil with 50 turns between the poles of a magnet and passes a current of 8 amps through the coil. Diagram 1 shows this setup. So by 50 centimeters long here, what we mean is that one of these edges here is 50 centimeters long. We're also being told that there's 50 turns, so there's essentially 50 layers here. We're also told that this current going through the coil is equal to 8 amps. And we see that the current is going this way around the coil. So let's see what the examiner wants from us. Part A asks us to indicate on the diagram the direction of the force on the coil. So the idea here is to use Fleming's left-hand rule. And if we do that, we're going to need to remember to point our first finger in the direction of the magnetic field, which points like this. If you point your first finger in that direction of the magnetic field, your second finger in the direction of the current, then on the left-hand side of the coil here, you should find that the force, the motion, is directly upwards. And therefore the force on the other side of the coil, with the current going in the opposite direction, is directly downwards. Let's take a look at the next part of our question. We're asked to describe the motion of the coil until it comes to rest. Well, the opposite forces acting on the opposite ends of the coil are going to make the coil rotate. But this obviously can't go on forever because we've even been told that the coil is going to come to rest. So originally we have our two ends of the coil, and the force is pulling down on this end and up on this end. But let's see what happens once the coil rotates to 90 degrees. So what's happened here is the coil has rotated like this. Well, if the coil tries to rotate any further, this upwards force here is just going to pull it back to the centre, as is this downwards force here.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.